Okay, so now we're going to make our boat. So the first step is you're going to fold the paper in half. I like to call this hot dog style. And you're going to make a crease down the side. Then you open the page back up. You'll see the crease in the middle of the paper. Now you're going to fold it in half the other way. I call this hamburger style. And you're going to crease the top with your finger. Now you're going to fold these two top corners towards the middle crease. Okay, so I'm going to start with the left side. I'm going to fold it, press down with my finger. I'm going to take the right side, fold it down, press with my finger. Now you have two sides of the paper here. On the bottom you have the front flap and the back flap. You're going to fold the front one up. Just fold down the crease with your finger, and now you're going to flip this over and do the same thing on the back. Now you're going to take this and you're going to open it up and flatten it like this. So I'm going to show it one more time. This is how it looks. Then you're going to open it and you're going to flatten it like this. Now that you have it like this, you can smooth down the edges again with your finger. Make sure the creases are nice and secure. Then you're going to fold the top part up to meet the top of the triangle. Smooth it down with your finger, flip it over, do the same to the other side. Now, you're going to open up again, like you did before, flatten it in half. So I'll show you again. It was like this. You open it up, so this is the inside. You fold it flat. Now I'm going to press down the edges again. And then you're going to gently pull these top parts outwards. And now this part's a little tricky because you need to do some maneuvering. You want to make sure that it can stand up straight by itself like this. Sort of need to just press down, and then from here you can make it look however you want. You can decorate it, you can add any materials you have in your house, and this is what it looks like.